Today, we're in the South End neighborhood of Boston, Massachusetts, touring a spectacular new construction home, currently the most expensive condo on the market in the area. This is Unit 14J at the Quinn Residences, a luxurious property built in 2021 and positioned in one of the city's most sought-after locations. We are going to walk through this $6.3 million condo, discussing the features and finishes, followed by a tour of the building's unparalleled amenity package. Lastly, we'll explore the prestigious address of this exquisite development. For the viewers new to this channel, my name is Charlie Smith. I'm a real estate advisor here in Boston. I work with people from all over looking to buy, lease, or invest in the city. If you'd like to schedule a personal tour of this unit, explore other residences in the building, or have questions about relocating to Boston, feel free to reach out anytime. My contact information is displayed on screen and linked in the description below. Upon stepping inside the home, you are welcomed by a formal entry foyer that offers multiple pathways. From here, you can choose to proceed down a long hallway leading to the bedrooms, enter the home office on the right, or transition into the great room, which seamlessly integrates the living area and kitchen. You're immediately struck by the soaring ceilings and immaculate condition of the home. The space is even more impressive in person, as the camera doesn't fully convey its energy. With its towering ceilings and expansive windows, this property is truly one of a kind in the South End. The exposures and views delivered by 14J are unrivaled and cannot be enjoyed from any other private residence in the neighborhood. To briefly cover specifications, 14J features 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, spread across a little over 2,700 square feet of impeccably designed living space. This offering is inclusive of 2 deeded self-park spaces in the underground heated garage. An incredibly rare and unique offering from a Boston home, this layout also comes with a rooftop cabana, which I'll show you at the end of the tour. Included with the J-line units at the Quinn, the home also has a Calcutta gas fireplace with natural stone surround. The fireplace combines elegance and warmth in perfect harmony. Its sleek design and refined finish elevate the room's aesthetic, while its soft, inviting glow creates a cozy ambience that's perfect for relaxing evenings or intimate gatherings. We're currently in the heart of the unit, which is 32.5 by 14.5 feet in size and features expansive floor-to-ceiling windows, framing views of downtown Boston and Back Bay, as well as the surrounding South End neighborhood. This area is an entertainer's dream, with plenty of space to comfortably host large gatherings of friends and family. In the living and dining room, you have 5-inch European white oak engineered flooring with glacier white coloring. Looking at the chef-grade kitchen, which is one of the best packages I've seen in a new construction Boston home. No cost was spared in this design, using only the highest quality materials and finishes. The kitchen flooring is the same as the dining room and living area. Countertops are crafted from a natural marble stone in a glorious white hue, showcasing subtle veining for added character. With a 3-centimeter thickness and a honed finish, they exude understated elegance and a smooth, matte texture. The backsplash mirrors the countertops, featuring the same glorious white natural marble and finish. The kitchen island is a generous size and versatile, accommodating seating for quick meals, drinks, or cooking preparation. A Newport brass faucet with polished chrome finish completes the island's look. All cabinetry throughout is soft close, with under-mounted LED lighting to illuminate the space. The double-stacked, frameless upper cabinets have a white high-gloss finish with flat panel doors. The lower cabinets are custom crafted from rift swan wood, featuring a rich, stained finish. With a full suite of Wolf and Sub-Zero appliances, the kitchen offers top-tier performance and a seamless blend of luxury and functionality, integrating beautifully with the countertops and custom cabinetry. In terms of specs, we have a 36-inch stainless steel 5-burner Wolf gas cooktop, which is vented out. A Wolf M-Series contemporary double-wall oven provides added convenience and maximum cooking capacity. Beneath the island is a 24-inch Wolf drawer microwave. A Sub-Zero built-in over and under refrigerator and freezer panel, which matches the cabinetry, provides plenty of storage space. Directly next to the fridge is a paneled tall Sub-Zero wine cooler which also matches the cabinetry. Briefly looking at the views again, this corner home offers breathtaking perspectives from two directions. To the west, you'll enjoy sweeping views of the Back Bay skyline and tree-lined streets of the South End, which are particularly stunning at sunset when the golden light reflects off the buildings. The northern views provide a striking contrast, showcasing the dynamic skyline of downtown Boston with glimpses of the Seaport District. These views offer a truly unique experience at all times of the day. Stepping into the first bedroom suite, which is actually the smallest of the 4 bedrooms. Currently set up as a home office, this room features an ensuite bathroom with Orbico gray porcelain tile heated floors, walk-in glass shower, and quartz organic white polished vanity. Given the positioning of this room within the unit, split off from the other bedrooms, the space would make for an excellent guest bedroom. Another option would be to keep it as an office or switch it to a media viewing room. A full or queen-sized bed would fit comfortably with a chair or dresser. The hallway features 2 closet spaces for clothing or additional storage. Throughout the home, interior doors are solid core with valley and valley lever handles in either a satin or chrome finish. The interior trim features a 7-inch, 2-tiered basewood crafted from painted wood, adding depth to the space. Making our way towards the primary bedroom, the long hallway is formal and elegant, serving as a subtle transition from the main living spaces to your private retreat. With clean lines and soft ambient lighting, the hallway feels spacious yet intimate. Thoughtfully placed artwork or custom wall treatments could further enhance its appeal. Entering the second bedroom suite is a full bathroom with a Cantrio Concepts cast iron tub and shower combo. The heated gray floors and marble quartz surround elevates the experience. The views seen from this room are of the Back Bay skyline. A large closet is also present. The third bedroom, which you'll see shortly, is set up almost exactly the same, except slightly larger with an 11.5 by 11 foot layout. As mentioned, the Quinn was built ground up and completed in 2021, located at 380 Harrison Avenue, designed by the world-famous firm Robert A. Stern Architects. The building features 101 condos, 172 rental units, and 8,500 square feet of retail space on the lower floors. This development is a full-service amenity building with rich toned brick and stone on the lower levels, while the upper floors incorporate expansive stretches of glass curtain wall for a contemporary update. Robert A. Stern Architects wanted to merge the South End's history with modern design, taking inspiration from the neighborhood's blend of Victorian row houses and industrial buildings, infusing these elements into every detail. This is the bathroom you would have your guests use when they come to visit. The flooring is Ella Gray marble with honed finish. A Calcutta quartz vanity with brushed brass frame and mirror tie this powder room together, delivering a luxurious experience for guests. Another special feature of 14J is this massive butler's closet or laundry room with custom built-ins and a washer and dryer by Asco. This room also leads to the hallway as a secondary egress. To briefly touch on pricing, this residence is offered at $6,299,000 with an HOA fee of $44.50 per month. This fee includes heat, hot water, gas, water, sewer, master insurance, security, maintenance, management, and all amenity spaces. Personally, this is my favorite condo building in the South End, as it's quite simply unmatched in almost every aspect when compared to similar properties. The Quinn has the most amenities out of all the full-service buildings in the South End, with almost 20,000 square feet of spaces. The Quinn is also home to the most expensive condo ever sold in the South End neighborhood, which can be seen from the unit we're in today. 2 floors beneath us, Unit 12J, with a massive private terrace sold in 2022 for a record-breaking $7.3 million. We're actually in the same exact layout, 2 floors higher but without the private terrace. Since construction was completed, roughly 85% of units here have sold. The Quinn offers a mix of studio to 4-bedroom layouts with prices between $650,000 and $7.3 million. There are still units available for sale. If you like what you've seen so far on this tour and want to come look at the building in person, text, email, or call me. As you may have noticed, 14J has recessed lighting throughout with systems by Lutron. The home is equipped with Lutron Caseta smart lighting, a cutting-edge system that provides exceptional convenience and seamless integration with other smart home technologies. You can control the lighting remotely via the smartphone app, wall-mounted dimmers, or voice commands using popular assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri. It also works flawlessly with smart thermostats, shades, and even security systems, allowing you to create customized scenes with a single touch. Whether you're dimming the lights for movie night, scheduling them to turn on when you arrive home, or enhancing energy efficiency, Lutron Caseta delivers both sophistication and practicality for a truly connected lifestyle. Now, walking into the primary suite, you're immediately greeted by a sense of tranquility and refined luxury. The spacious layout is thoughtfully designed to balance functionality and comfort, featuring two expansive window panels that bathe the room in natural light while framing stunning views of the Back Bay skyline. The dimensions of the primary bedroom, 16 by 14.5 feet, offer an impressive sense of scale, providing ample space for a king-sized bed, additional seating, or even a cozy reading nook. The high ceilings enhance the airy feel, while the premium finishes and carefully curated details create a truly sophisticated retreat within the home. The primary suite also boasts two massive walk-in closets, offering exceptional storage and organization potential. The Quinn has partnered with a Container Store to offer discounts on premier closet systems for buyers within the building. Designed to accommodate even the most extensive wardrobes for each partner, these closets ensure belongings are stored clutter-free. The Quinn is located in the bustling South End neighborhood of Boston, which is known for its Victorian-style brick row houses, tree-lined streets, and vibrant arts and culture scene. The South End is situated in the southern part of Boston, just south of Back Bay and east of Roxbury. The luxury building is near several other South End developments, like 100 Shawmut, The Lucas, and Sepiad Ink Block, among several others. The neighborhood is closest to South Boston and Seaport, but also Bay Village, Midtown, and the Back Bay. A huge Whole Foods grocery store is just minutes away, and the bustling Tremont Street with fine dining isn't far, just a few blocks in the other direction. This building is ideal for those working in and around downtown Boston and is roughly 15 minutes walking distance to the center of the city. The neighborhood has a diverse mix of residents, including young professionals, families, and retirees. The South End has a slightly younger population with a median age of 32 years old. According to Niche, about 59% of residents have a bachelor's degree or higher. The South End is home to several medical facilities, including Boston Medical Center, which is one of the largest hospitals in New England. The neighborhood also has a growing innovation district, with several biotech and life science companies setting up shop in the area. This neighborhood is also home to a thriving restaurant scene, with numerous high-end dining options as well as more casual eateries. Being well connected to public transportation, with easy access to the Orange and Silver Line, makes it highly convenient for residents to travel throughout Boston. The Quinn has some of the best bars, cafes, and eateries within a 5-minute walking distance. Now we're heading up to the roof, which hosts the private cabanas. Layout 14J includes one deeded cabana unit facing towards Back Bay and looking over the South End. This is a great place to hang out in the summer, enjoy meals, gather with friends, or simply relax with a book and get some sun. Looking at amenities, the Quinn redefines urban living with a blend of thoughtful luxuries and hospitality-focused services designed to cater to every aspect of your lifestyle. For health and wellness, residents enjoy access to state-of-the-art equipment and high-performance spaces that inspire fitness and holistic well-being. Amenities include an indoor lap pool with poolside chairs, a sauna, lockers, and showers. The fitness center was designed by Equinox and features cardio and weightlifting equipment, a bouldering wall, a squash court, and half basketball court, as well as flexible studio spaces. SoulCycle bicycles and personal trainers are available by request, offering tailored solutions for your wellness journey. Exclusive amenities for condo owners elevate everyday living. The roof terrace is perfect for entertaining with covered spaces, gas grills, fire pits, and a wet bar. The North Lounge offers a private dining space while the West Lounge is ideal for entertainment. Additional spaces include a condo gallery and library, providing residents quiet retreats and social hubs. Dog owners will appreciate Dog City, powered by Boston's best dog walkers. This dedicated space includes an on-site dog playroom, grooming and washing station, as well as daycare services with pickup and drop-off options. The Quinn also boasts a variety of entertainment and lounge spaces designed for relaxation and socializing. Residents can unwind in the work lounge, library lounge, or dining and party lounges, complete with catering and prep kitchens. All amenity spaces in the building can be reserved for private events if desired. For recreation, residents can enjoy the game room, billiards room, or sports lounge. Dedicated services at the Quinn ensure a seamless and luxurious living experience. A 24/7 concierge and doorman provide round-the-clock assistance, while on-site maintenance and lifestyle coordinators cater to every need. In-home services include housekeeping, interior design consultations, home technology support, and even private chefs or hair and makeup professionals. Additional conveniences such as grocery delivery, floral design, garment care, transportation assistance, and VIP event coordination further elevate the experience. At the Quinn, every detail has been thoughtfully curated to provide an unparalleled standard of living, blending convenience, luxury, and personalized service. Overall, this is my favorite condo in the South End neighborhood. With some of the most high-end features and finishes, this home truly embodies modern luxury living. The Quinn Residences offer quick access to dozens of high-end shops, restaurants, entertainment, and more. Residents have everything they need just steps away. Downtown Boston is just minutes away, driving or walking, allowing residents to quickly get into the heart of the city. Again, if you're looking to make a move in Boston, whether you already live here or are relocating, please message or call me anytime. Offering a white glove, concierge level service to my clients, I am always available to discuss your real estate needs or concerns. I specialize in luxury condo buildings, such as the one we toured today. However, I do work in all price points. If you enjoyed this video, let me know what you think about the home in the comments below, and stay tuned for more informational videos on Boston real estate, property tours, and building reviews.